He thinks that that noodle is alive. He's acting like it's disgusting to put in his mouth too. He's hitting it. He thinks it's a snake or a worm or something. It sticks to his hands. And look at him, he's crazy. He thinks he's killing it. Because it just came out of nowhere. There was a bug and he was hitting it, and then I put that little soggy noodle on his face and it stuck to his face. And he's crazy. He thinks he's actually killing it and fighting it. He's so freaking nutty. There's the noodle. He's gonna come back to it because he's freaked out. He thought it just attacked his ass and he's going nuts on it now. See him? He just keeps switching. That is so funny.